Setting up shortcuts and short keys. To begin, tap the plus symbol located at the bottom of the screen to add your favorite apps to the shortcuts menu. To remove an app, simply press the menu key on your remote control, located in the lower right corner. To set up short keys, navigate to the icon on the left side of the screen. Then, assign your desired apps to the corresponding numbers. For example, assign Blue TV to number 1, Blue VOD to number 2, Playback to number 3, and Backup TV to number 4. Once done, return to the home screen. Now, pressing the figure 1 button on your remote will instantly take you to Blue TV, while pressing the figure 2 button will swiftly navigate you to Blue VOD.